Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Skinwalker Roblox Mobile. First, ensure your device meets the game's requirements. Download the Roblox app from your App Store, then create or log into your account. Once inside Roblox, use the search bar to find Skinwalker and join the game. It's crucial to have a stable internet connection for the best experience. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, getting you ready for the thrilling adventure ahead. Once you're in the game, understanding the core mechanics is key. Learn to navigate using the on-screen controls for movement and interaction. The main objective often involves surviving the Skinwalker and completing tasks. Familiarize yourself with any special abilities or items your character might have. Pay close attention to the in-game prompts. They offer valuable guidance on how to progress and stay safe in this intense environment. To survive the terrifying Skinwalker, always stay vigilant. Listen carefully for any unusual sounds, as they often signal the creature's proximity. Use the environment to your advantage, hiding behind objects or breaking line of sight to evade detection. Working together with other players significantly boosts your chances of survival. Remember to manage your stamina and health wisely. These are vital resources in your fight for survival against the unknown. To truly master Skinwalker, explore all the different maps and game modes available. Watching experienced players on streaming platforms can provide valuable insights and advanced strategies. Consider joining the official Skinwalker community groups or forums. They are excellent places to share tips, ask questions, and connect with fellow survivors. Consistent practice will sharpen your reflexes and strategic thinking, transforming you into a more formidable player in this challenging game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.